In today's tutorial, let's learn how to establish a secret code within WhatsApp. This code provides a unique password to secure your WhatsApp application. Follow along as I guide you through each step. Make sure to watch until the end to grasp the entire process. To begin, open the WhatsApp application and navigate to the Settings section. Look for the option to lock applications, where you can set a unique secret code. Ensure that your WhatsApp application is updated to the latest version, as this feature is available in the newest update. Updating ensures access to the latest features and enhancements. Once your WhatsApp is up to date, proceed to set up the secret code. This feature offers an additional layer of privacy beyond the existing chat lock feature. Access the Locked Chats section and add specific chats that you wish to secure. You may also enable Face ID for added security. After setting up Face ID, proceed to establish your unique secret code for unlocking the chat. This code serves as an alternative to Face ID. With these simple steps, you can enhance the security of your WhatsApp chats. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.